Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TCL TAB 10S to an Android device. Firstly, just open Play Store on both of them and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now from the screen here, select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on your Android. After that, I need to rotate my tablet real quick. And then select Send. Now tap on Receive on Android device, and following that you need to tap on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of your files that you wish to transfer and do that later on. It will take a long time though, so I'll go with only one file. For example, this photo, choose Send and tap on Got It. Over here on an Android, choose No Thanks and close this window. Finally, we have the ways to connect. We can input this key over here. Oh, so sorry, misclick. And tap on the Receive button. But we can also scan this QR code. If you want to scan it, you need to tap on this scanning icon on an Android, select while using the upper only this time and point your device's camera at the QR code. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!